In today's video, I'm going to teach you the accurate way to move files and folders in Google Drive using the current right-click menu on a computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your content where it belongs without creating duplicates or breaking links for collaborators. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. This takes you to the main Google Drive page. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive contents, including folders on the left and files in the main area. Now, locate the file or folder you want to move. You can browse in My Drive, a shared drive, or the Shared With Me section, depending on where the item currently lives. If you have a lot of content, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the exact name. Keep in mind that you can only move items you own or items for which you've been granted the right permissions. If something is restricted, Drive will let you know when you try to move it. When you've found the item, right-click it. This opens the current context menu for Google Drive on desktop. If you're moving more than one thing, you can select multiple items first, then right-click any of the selected items to open the same menu. From the menu, click Organize. This groups options related to where your item lives. From there, select Move. You're intentionally choosing Move, so the item is relocated rather than copied. Moving preserves a single, up-to-date version, which helps prevent confusion later. A panel will appear where you can choose the destination folder. Navigate through My Drive or your shared drives and click the arrows next to folders to expand them if needed. Take a moment to ensure you're placing the item in the correct folder, especially if there are similarly named locations. If you're working in a shared drive, be aware that moving content between shared drives may require additional permissions and can change who has access. When you're ready, click Move to confirm. Google Drive will process the move and typically shows a brief confirmation message. If you moved the wrong item or chose the wrong folder, look for the Undo option that appears right after the move and use it immediately to revert the change. That's it. You've successfully moved your file or folder using the right-click menu, keeping your Drive organized and your collaborators aligned. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.